Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared minus y squared is equal to 28. xy is equal to 48. To find the value of x plus y from these two systems of equations. Now, in the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Then in the next step, from this equation 2, so from equation 2, which is xy is equal to 48, we make y the subject, so we'll divide by x in both sides. So this x and this x will cancel, then it will be y is equal to 48 over x. Then we'll substitute this equation in terms of y, so we'll substitute y, which is 48, which y is equal to 48 over x, into equation 1, whereas equation 1 it is this. So from equation 1, which is x squared minus y squared is equal to 28, we'll substitute the value of x, the value of y, which is 48 over x. So it will be x squared minus y squared. Y is this 48 over x. Then bracket this square is equal to 28. Then in the next step, it will be x squared minus, we take this square inside the bracket, so it will be 48 square minus x square is equal to 28. Then to remove this denominator, this fraction here in the denominator of x squared, will multiply the whole equation times x squared. So our equation will be x squared times x squared is this x squared, then bracket square, then minus this x square will cancel this x square, so it will be here 48 square, then is equal to 28 times x square, it will be 28 x square. Then in the next step, we'll take this 28x square into this side, so it will be x square, then bracket square. This we take to this side to be minus 28x square, then minus 48 square is equal to 0. Then because here x square is common, we'll let's say u is equal to x square. Then we'll substitute here into x square, we'll substitute u, so it will be u square, then minus 28u, then minus 48 square is equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation in terms of u, to find the value of u, we'll solve this quadratic equation by completing the square method. So by completing the square method, we'll take this negative 48 square into this side, so it will be u square minus 28u, then this will take to this side, it will be equal to 48 square. So by completing the square, we'll be adding in both sides by the half of this square, so half, it will be 28 over 2 bracket square, we add this and also in this side, so here 28 over 2, then bracket square. Then in the next step, it will be u square minus 28u, then plus 28 divided by 2 is 14, so it will be 14 square, then is equal to 48 square plus this divided by this, to be 14 square. Then from here, in the next step, it will be, our equation will be this quadratic equation, u square minus 28u plus 14 square. This is same as u, then minus 14, then bracket square. So the square of u minus 14, it is this quadratic equation, which is equal to 48 square. 48 is same as 50 minus 2, then bracket square, then plus 14 square. 14, it is 10 plus 4, then bracket this square. Then in the next step, from here, it will be u minus 14, then bracket square is equal to square of 50 minus 2. 50 square is 2500. Then minus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 50 is 200. Then plus 2 square. 2 times 2, which is 4. Then plus the square of 10 plus 4. 10, it will be 10 times 10 is 100. Then plus 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 10 is 80. Then plus 4 square. 4 times 4 is 16. Then it will be u minus 14 bracket square is equal to, from here we have this 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 plus 80 is 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 minus this 200 is 0. So here we are left with this 2500. Then because we have this square, we'll apply square root in both sides. So this square root will cancel with this square. Then it will be u minus 14 is equal to plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. Then this double 0, it is 0. Then from here we have two solutions because of plus or minus. Whereas the first solution, when it is positive, here it will be u minus 14 is equal to 50. And the other solution, when it is negative, it will be u minus 14 is equal to negative 50. Then from here, we'll take this negative 14 to this side. It will be u is equal to 50 plus 14, it is 64. And this will be u is equal to, we'll take negative 14 to this side, it will be 14. So negative 50 plus 14, it is negative 36. Then from here, because here we'll get the values of u, but we're supposed to get the value of x and then the value of y, then we find x plus y. Then so from here we recall, before we let that u, this u, it is x square. So from u, which is x square, to here to be x square, which is u, is equal to this 64. And also in here, u, it is x square is equal to negative 36. Then we'll apply square root, and here we apply square root, we apply square root here. So this square root will cancel square, then it will be x is equal to square root of 64, it is plus or minus 8. Then this square root will cancel square, then it will be x is equal to square root of 36, it is 6, square root of negative, which is negative 1, it is I. So here it is plus or minus. Now from here we get the values of x. Then to get the value of y, we recall from this equation here, in terms of y, we have this y is equal to 48 over x. So from y is equal to 48 over x, then here it will be y is equal to 48 over our x, it is this plus or minus 8. Then it will be y is equal to, because we divide by plus or minus, so it will be plus or minus 48 divided by 8, it is 6. So here we'll get the value of x and this value of y. And from here, if we use this equation, with this 48 is the real number, and this we substitute the value of x, which is this is complex number. So real number divided by complex number, it is impossible, to give error. So this solution will rejected. So after this solution is rejected, we'll not deal with this solution here. Now to find the value of x plus y, it will be equal to our x, it is this, which is plus or minus 8, plus our y, it is this, which is plus or minus 6. So it will be x plus y is equal to plus or minus 8 plus 6, it is 14. Therefore, this is our final solution for the value of x plus y in this our problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.